Indeed, how to make a resume. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a resume on Indeed, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to make a resume on Indeed, now to upload your resume you go to indeed.com, tap the three lines option there and just go to this option over here that says profile. Then under profile you'd find the option to upload your resume, but you haven't created a resume, you're confused about what kind of resume you should make. Where here are a couple of tips. First of all, you need to choose the right format. Now the most common resume format is reverse chronological format, which lists your work experience from most recent to least recent. The other is to include the contact information. Also make sure to write a compelling summary or objective statement. This brief overview should highlight your skills and experience and why you're a good fit for the job. Detail your work experience. List your work experience in reverse chronological order. And also make sure to highlight your skills and list your education and proofread carefully and make sure there are no grammatical errors. So this way you should be able to write a resume or make a resume on Indeed. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.